In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redirect a URL in WordPress step by step using a simple and beginner-friendly method that works in 2026. URL redirects are extremely important if you've deleted a page, changed a page URL, migrated content, or want to avoid 404 errors that hurt your SEO and user experience. If you follow this tutorial until the end, you'll be able to create clean and proper redirects in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress website and go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control center of your site, where you manage posts, pages, plugins, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Plugins, then click on Add New. This is where you can install new functionality for your WordPress site. In the plugin search bar on the top right, type in Redirection. You're looking for the plugin called Redirection by John Godley. This is one of the most popular and trusted redirect plugins for WordPress, and it's completely free. Once you find it, click Install Now, wait a few seconds for the installation to complete, and then click Activate. After activation, the plugin will be added to your site and ready to use. Now that the plugin is activated, go back to the left-hand menu in your WordPress dashboard and scroll down to Tools. Under Tools, click on Redirection. The first time you open it, you may be asked to complete a quick setup wizard. You can follow the default options as they work perfectly for most websites and finish the setup to access the main redirect screen. Once you're inside the redirection plugin settings, you'll see a section where you can add a new redirect. This is where the magic happens. In the source URL field, enter the old URL or the page path that you want to redirect from. This is usually the page that no longer exists or the URL you've changed. Make sure you only enter the part after your domain name, not the full website URL. Next, in the target URL field, enter the new destination URL. This is where you want users and search engines to be sent when they visit the old link. You can redirect to another page on your site or even to an external website if needed. Double-check both URLs to make sure there are no typos, because even a small mistake can cause the redirect to fail. After you've entered the source and target URLs, look at the redirect type. By default, it's set to a 301 redirect, which is exactly what you want in most cases. A 301 redirect tells search engines that the page has permanently moved and helps preserve your SEO rankings. Once everything looks good, click the Add Redirect button. That's it. Your redirect is now active. You can test it by opening a new browser tab and visiting the old URL. If everything is set up correctly, it should automatically send you to the new page. You can also manage, edit, disable, or delete redirects at any time from the Redirection plugin dashboard. And that's how easy it is to redirect a URL in WordPress using the Redirection plugin. This method is safe, fast, and doesn't require any coding at all. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress how-to guides and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.